Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite someone like your contacts to your live streams on Telegram on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Open the Telegram desktop application and access the channel or group where you'd like to live stream. Let me go with that gaming channel here. And to start the live stream, guys, click into that button in the top right corner of your channel menu and select start live stream. You may also start it later by scheduling it or stream it through another streaming application using a stream key. Now for this sake of this tutorial, we're going to start a live stream directly here through that channel. Click into start live stream. After that, select your channel here, click into continue, and after that the live stream will start. Now what you want to do, guys, is click into your gaming, in this case your gaming channel, into your channel name here at the top. And after that, simply invite users to join your channel, because only, for example, only your channel members will be able to participate in your live stream if you hold that live stream in your channel, of course. So you will need to make them your channel members first to invite them to that, or to allow them to join your channel. They will see that the live stream has started in their overview here of the channel once they have become channel members. So to do that, guys, simply again, once you're live with your live stream, click into your channel name at the top where you see the subscriber number. After that, click into that button next to your subscribers, and after that simply add a user from that list, and after that simply invite someone from your contact list or use a shareable invitation link. Confirm by clicking into add here to add the given user to your live stream participants through making them channel members. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.